It's coming out.
Whoa!
Hello, this is Geekles Tejiante. About 2 months ago, Sumolgongi posted this video.
Using regular ketchup is too salty, making it toma juice. We made tomato juice with half ketchup, but I wouldn't recommend it.
Tomato flavored juice? I was curious about the taste. People couldn't sit by. We built a tomato juice machine.
Geeple, alright.
Here are the MDFs. Joining me is maker Jackie. Jackie! Awesome! What is this?
Hello.
Being well.
Not well.
We visited Jackie's house, and the comments went wild. Jackie's character was captured well, so I'm pleased.
Oi, oi.
Today, we're making it here together.
Together,
Introduce the materials.
the main frame for the tomato juice machine is MDF and lead screws. There's a flange here.
Yes.
It goes up, then it goes down. The lead screw helps dispense the ketchup by pushing it from the syringe.
Where's this from?
I bought it.
Really? It's huge.
It's huge.
What's it for? Cooking, right?
No, it's for medical use.
Medical use. Finished modeling.
Yes, I completed the modeling and cut all the frame parts.
Start building.
Okay.
Wow, is this the base?
Yes, it's the base plate.
Feels like a Lego set.
Wait,
Isn't done.
it's like it's done. Let's attach.
Already attached it.
See in the hole.
Yes.
We'll place the cup for making tomato juice here.
To hold juice.
Next, like this. Installed here.
Oh,
It won't break.
wow.
Now, the syringe module. Let's make it.
Okay, syringe module.
Let's go.
Is that resin taste in my mouth?
Won't kill you.
Minback, can you eat resin? Wow, it's done. So pretty.
Attach this here.
Okay. Wow.
Lie.
No step motor, so I'll turn it. See it moving up.
Yes.
Let's fill the syringe with ketchup. And then insert it. The syringe
Yes.
compresses.
Ah, yes.
It compresses to squeeze into the cup. Now,
Oh, that pipe.
yes. This tube runs under the syringe. And this hose.
Yes.
It's directed to the cup center. Shall we try water in the syringe?
Yes.
Pressing. Press it.
Yes. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, wow, wow, wow.
Great, does the ketchup come out?
Exactly like this.
Okay, what's next?
We'll use this to move the mixer.
Mixer.
Yes, insert it, insert it.
Mixing the tomato juice below. Mixing it. And it's completed like this.
Wow.
Wow.
It looks really nice. Now, we need the electronic components to operate this, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Let me introduce Maker Minbeck. Geek High.
Geek High.
We have Minbeck who runs game development with us.
Promoting my channel.
We need to run this, right?
Yes, working on it.
What are you making?
When you have this button, it includes 2 stepper motors and 1 DC motor. Press the switch and the stepper motor will move up or move down. It
Yes.
controls it.
Yes.
It's quite similar.
Well, electronics aren't that fun, are they?
Not in videos.
Minbeck back to soldering. We'll send you Geek Bar.
Oh, Geek Bar.
I've pressed it.
Yes.
Turn it off when you go.
Ah, yes, yes.
The next morning, Minbeck.
Everything's done here.
What is this?
I made it. I know. 2 stepper motors and 3 switches for renting a DC motor.
3 switches.
2 stepper motors, 1 DC motor. This is with the DC motor. A motor driver.
Yes.
You need a motor driver to control its speed.
Yes.
Not mine. This goes in.
You made this back.
No, I didn't make this.
We're amazing.
No, the back circuit.
You soldered it.
Yes, soldered.
You worked hard.
Yes. To all the same.
Yes.
Actually, this.
Editing material.
Use previous footage.
Right.
People will write.
Jackie should do the assembly.
Why?
I don't know how to attach it. Should I go out?
Okay, Jackie has arrived. It's at the entrance. Jikai.
Dekai.
Dika.
Not right.
If you're sick, Jikai.
Dikai.
You two collaborating on making.
Wait a minute. Hold on. Just a second.
And then-
Please wait.
No overlap. There's a maker for each part. Minbek for electronics, Jackie for design, and Chance for the exterior. Jackie,
Yes.
when done,
Jackie, what's up?
how long with the wrench? Jackie.
It's really tough. If you look here, the linear bushings and lead screw nuts are installed.
Okay,
Attach the motor.
alright.
Mount it.
Had to go ahead.
Okay, go ahead.
Turn it down.
Wow.
Not one.
Wow.
Nah. Jackie, when done.
Was gluing it. But
Alright,
you talked.
Okay, ready, go.
ready, go.
Ready and go.
Jackie upset.
Good.
Why good?
Why good?
Tough. Right. I think it's done now.
It's done. But it's important.
Not to me.
Oh,
Please handle it carefully.
back to the wrench.
Side.
The wrench again.
Jackie, when?
Jackie, when?
How in one day?
Forgot a part, so filming is delayed.
Okay.
Didn't tease Mr. Right?
Yes, fun.
Mild, right?
Miss it.
That's disappointing.
I'm not disappointed.
Really?
It's done.
Finally done. Yes.
So the hardware is done.
Okay. Finally, it's Mindek's turn. Are we switching places?
Honestly, what I'm doing isn't fun.
Good buttons. Who picked them?
I picked them.
Jackie asked.
They're really cool.
Please explain.
I.
Yes,
I'm connecting the DC motor here.
done. Is that it?
This is DC Motor Island, where it all connects.
Electronics.
Why, it's fun. The charm is... I don't know. Oh, it's done.
It's done.
And
What?
power.
Power.
No explosion. But connect it wrong, and it might. Start over.
Lights on.
Press it.
On
Yes.
this one.
DC motor.
Yes.
Wow.
Wow.
Deepo well.
You know why, right?
Yes.
Rade.
Wow.
4 types of ketchup.
Yes.
First is regular ketchup. Second is no brand. Third is Heinz. And lastly, half ketchup. Dilute it 3-to-1 with water to make it taste like tomato juice.
Wow.
Atsuki used to advertise that.
I don't want to eat this.
You must try it. First, regular ketchup.
Just pour.
Yes, pour.
Okay.
Okay. Attach it.
Okay, what's next?
Now we'll lower it. Ketchup now.
Uh, uh,
Ice coming out. It's a
Run.
mess. Cut up.
No. Help. Oh, at times like this.
oh,
I'm leaving. I was just making things, but why is this so hard?
My God.
Even liking tomato juice, it's hard. But it really does smell like tomato juice.
Actually, this smells less bad than actual tomato juice. Cheers.
Cheers. Drink.
Yes. How is it?
Sugar might help.
Oh, really?
Not bad. Tastes like ketchup.
Tastes like tomato juice.
It tastes like that.
Watered down ketchup.
Yeah, really.
Chan, you come quickly.
The smell is between ketchup and tomato juice.
Yes.
What is this?
Isn't this that? Celery.
Celery.
Well, what is this? Worcestershire.
Worcestershire.
Tabasco.
Hot sauce.
Lemon juice.
There's a cocktail called Bloody Mary, right? It's a cocktail that uses tomato juice.
Lao.
Cocktail, right?
Yes, McDowell.
Oh,
Vodka.
it's not vodka.
We bought vodka. Here's the recipe. First, 30 milliliters vodka. 30 milliliters.
Had to spilled it.
That's how it's done.
15 milliliters lemon juice. Tabasco.
2 drops. Tea drops.
Worcestershire sauce.
Yes.
Wow, spilling everything.
Tissue, please.
Jackie.
Originally a bartender.
Value the environment more,
Bartenders work with a towel to clean as they go.
but you're not a bartender, Jackie.
It was once my dream.
Why so many?
Stop.
Okay, Pepper. Finally,
Yes, hold.
I don't want this. Don't want to.
What's the benefit?
It's pretty. Wow.
Yeah,
This is the Bloody Mary hangover cure. In a paper cup, it won't taste as good. The loser drinks half.
Wow. Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors. Let's play rock, paper, scissors.
Wow!
I'll do it. Let's play rock, paper, scissors.
yes.
Let's switch. Follow the recipe so it's delicious.
I think Jungtae will enjoy it.
It's gulping down, not sipping.
I'll try it. Here we go.
오. 오.
How is it? And taste?
You know, with the lemon juice in it, it feels more balanced. That strong taste is,
Enhances it.
yes, it balances it. If it were just tomato juice, it might not taste as good.
In
In conclusion, I didn't like tomato juice, but the Bloody Mary was surprisingly good. It was fun. We'll return with new creations. Geek Bar is coming back with more.
Geek Bar.